We have a 2022 CX-30 in for a amp and sub install, both Alpine subwoofer and amplifier. Got the power wire in, power wire goes through the firewall. There's a nipple on the other side that you have to cut off, but basically this power wire goes right through that top hole. Just put a little lubricant and a coat hanger, and you can just bring it right through to the back of the vehicle. Got a ground wire, just ground that down, drill the hole, nut and bolted it so it's nice and secure right there. Most important part, this vehicle is a non-Bose vehicle, so I had to find the signal for the right front and left front speaker to convert that to the RCA side of things to get it back to the amp. So basically we have our right front, which is a yellow and brown wire on this white connector right here, which is under this passenger front seat. So basically our yellow positive is for the right front speaker. So then that yellow goes right to the gray wire on the kicker lock. And then next we have the brown wire. Brown wire is the negative for the right front speaker, and that goes to the gray black. And then we have the left front, which is a pink wire right here. So then that pink positive wire is that white wire, and then the white black is the left front negative, which goes on that violet wire right there. I still have to find a retains accessory power to get that amplifier turn on. So once I get that all set up, then I will make another video how I did that and everything working. Subs mounted, wiring, it's all ran as seen. Quick Google search to find out what the accessory power would be, rather than going to a deep research. So we can see here that this white wire is the accessory wire. Once we turn the ignition on, this test light should turn right on to make the amplifier come on. So that is the left front module right there by the driver's kick panel. So we'll turn the car on. Amplifier will come on, theoretically. Then we shut the car off, and the amplifier will shut off. So before I button everything up, just want to show you how I'm going to run this. I'll put this lock in there. So basically, on the lock, there are screws in here. Basically, they are turned halfway, which I found works the best based off somebody that I know with a lot of experience. And then next, so basically, you just want to make sure your RCAs are on the correct side. So my gray is going to be on the white and the black on the red. So then we'll get those back to the amplifier once we get that installed. So it does look like this is a good place to basically tuck this in right here. So once we get the lock all right in here, then I get that cover back on, and it should fit nicely. Got that RCA wire ran through here under the carpet, and then right up through here, so that'll be nice and hidden. So this will be the second part of the video, and then we'll make a third, maybe a fourth, maybe a fifth. We just want to update you on where everything was at. As seen, we got the power hooked up. As I mentioned before, remote turn on that white wire in the previous video. Everything is working. Got that amp working, just some fine tuning left to do. And the kicker lock, as mentioned before, how it was tapped off in the previous video, and we tucked it right behind there, right behind the factory amp under the seat. But as it sits, it is working as it should. So I'm happy with it, and I'm pretty sure the customer will be happy with it as well.